24, and then we select the object type, which is basically the standard class. So we will identify the method. So for the sake of demonstration, we have already created a post exit. So we have a standard method write entity data, and with this write entity data, as within this method we have created a post exit. So to create a post exit, basically in the change mode you go to class and then say an ends, and then after that you go to edit and then select the various options, pre-exit, post exit, or overwrite exit. So in this case we have a post exit which is written for the method write entity data. So when I click on this post exit, so there is a method, and within this method write entity data, so I have created a enhancement which is called ZENH_BRF, and then within the post exit we have identified the fields like MMSTA. This is the input variable within the material. Then we have the plant, and within the data model the two definitions for the entity type. So we require a source entity which is MARC basic, which carries the value MMSTA, and then MARC, MRP, PP, which carries the other variables like the target fields, MRP type and MRP group. So this program basically gets executed after the execution of the main method, since this is a post exit. Then we say we check the syntax and we activate this. So this is one prerequisite that needs to be done. The second prerequisite is so we have created a Z class. We call this as ZCL and force BRF plus call, and within this class we have created a method. So there is a example code. So we have created this example code, and within this example code we need to adapt this to our existing needs. So this example code is basically used to call the BRF plus function, and this is defined as a public static method, and it will require an input variables. So we have defined a certain set of parameters as input variables, input parameters, using the associated data types. And once this method code and input variables are defined, then we'll activate this, check the syntax, activate this interface method. In fact, this interface method is part of the post exit program that we saw earlier. So let me show you this ZCL and force BRF plus call. So if I again go back to the post exit, so within the post exit there is a call to the Z class, and so this is the use of the class method. So the standard interface with the standard program write entity data, a post exit will get executed using this enhancement, and within this there will be a call to the BRF plus function. So this is the coding part of